Hello, I'm Michael Scharf. I'm the Dean at Case Western Reserve University School of Law. I was formerly Attorney Advisor for United Nations Affairs at the U.S. Department of State, and I'm the author of 18 books. One of those books is the subject of this video lecture. This is my recent book from Cambridge University Press, and it is called, I'm going to look at it, Customary International Law in Times of Fundamental Change, Recognizing Grotian Moments. The concept is about accelerated formation of customary international law, and that's what I'll be talking with you about today.